Hey, it's AJ from KINCROME. I've got another tool tip for you here, and this relates to drilling holes into thin objects where you're worried about the drill bit going through the back. Happens all the time. I've got a little method here that I use, and in this example I'm going to put this hook into this piece of pine here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select a drill bit that'll do that, and I'm looking at having the drill bit the same size as the shank of what I'm doing. Alright, so I've selected the right drill bit here, and what I would do is lay them out side by side, and what I do is I use a bit of tape. So a bit of tape like that, and I'm going to select it. I'm going to actually line it right up with the back of the thread there, push it down on the drill bit, and I'm going to wrap that around. And this is my guide, my depth guide. So when I put this into my drill, I've got really, if I follow this, I've got no chance of drilling a hole too deep. So I just want to drill right to here. There you go. That's perfect. That'll fit that perfectly. No chance of it coming through. There you go. Another tool tip.